Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing Module 4 Lesson 1 which will tackle solving definite integrals. Okay, so when we say definite integrals, ito yung type ng integrants na meron na siyang limits. Upper limit and then lower limit. Integration of function of x dx. Okay, so explain natin to here in this video by applying it sa mga examples. Okay, so sa example 1, evaluate the integrand 3x squared dx from the lower limit of 0 to 2. Okay, so ang unang gagawin natin dyan, syempre, is to integrate the function. Okay, integrate muna natin tong function. So, how do we integrate that? Diba yan ay power formula lang. Ganito lang siya, ilalabas natin yung constant and then 0 to 2 x squared dx, okay, and then integrate natin to, that is equivalent sa 3 times x cubed over 3, so cancel yung 3, so magiging x cubed evaluating from 0 to 2. Okay. Anong ibig sabihin ng evaluating from 0 to 2? Ibig sabihin yan, okay, ang gagawin natin is to substitute the upper limit sa x cube. So, 2 cube. And then, subtract it to the lower limit. So, 0 cube. That is equivalent sa 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. That is equivalent to 8. Ito naman is 0, diba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin dito is 8. Ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, let's proceed to the next example. Ayan. Ito naman. Evaluate the integration x plus 4 dx from 1 to 3. So, anong unang gagawin natin? Siyempre, 1 to 3, x plus 4 dx. Okay, anong gagawin natin? Ito kasi pwedeng substitution, diba? So, ang u natin dito is x plus 4, diba? Ang du natin is, of course, dx. So, ito, pwede siyang gawing x, maging 1, 3, u, du. So, ito ay magiging u squared over 2 from 1 to 3. Okay? Ano ba yung u natin? X plus 4. X plus 4 squared, okay, over 2 from 1 to 3. So, substitute natin yung values ng upper limit. Magiging 3 plus 4 squared over 2 minus 1 plus 4 squared over 2. Okay? So, anong sagot dyan? Hahanap tayo ng calcu para mas madali. Okay. Ayan. Sabi niya is 3 plus 4 squared. 3 plus 4 squared over 2 minus 1 plus 4 squared over 2. So, that is equivalent to 12. So, ang answer natin dito is, of course, 12. Ayan. So, next example is 2x, x minus 1 dx. Okay. So, here, pwede natin namang i-simplify muna to, diba? Expand natin, magiging 2x squared minus 2x. Diba? Dx. Pwede natin silang paghiwalayin dahil may operator na minus. So, ito pwedeng 0, 1, 2x squared dx. Okay? Minus 0, 1, 2x dx. So, pwede na nating integrate. Ito magiging 2x cubed over 3 from, 2x cubed over 3 from 0 to 1 minus 2x squared over 2 from 0 to 1. Okay? So, simplify natin pa. 2x cubed over 3 from 0 to 1 minus x squared from 0 to 1. Okay? Then, evaluate natin. Upper limit muna. 2, 1 cube over 3 minus 0. Diba? Pag dinistribute, ay, sinubstitute naman natin yung 0. 0 na yon. Okay? Minus, dun sa pangalawa, 1 squared minus 0. Okay? So, ito, calculate natin. 2 times 1 cube over 3 minus 0 minus 1 squared minus 0. Ang sagot dito ay negative 1/3. Okay, so ang answer natin here is negative 1/3. So, let's proceed to the next example. Okay. O, ito naman, paano to? So, ganun lang din sa ginawa natin kanina. Pwede natin siyang paghiwalayin. 1, 2, x squared dx plus 1, 2, 2x dx plus 1, 2 dx. Okay. So, ito pwedeng maging sagot dyan x cubed over 3 from 1 to 2 plus 2x squared over 2 from 1 to 2 plus x from 1 to 2. Okay? So, ito, magka-cancel. So, x squared na lang. So, dito, pag sinubstitute natin, okay, 2 cube over 3 minus minus 1 cube over 3, okay, plus 2 squared minus 1 squared plus 2 minus 1. Okay? So, compute natin. Sabi niya, 2 cube over 3 minus 1 over 3, that is 7 over 3, plus 2 squared minus 1, that is 3, plus 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay? So, 7/3 plus 3 plus 1, that is equivalent sa 19 over 3. So, ang sagot natin here is 19 over 3. Okay? So, that is how you treat definite integrals. May apply natin everything na natutunan natin do sa previous lecture from module 1 to 3, and then evaluate it from the given limits, upper and lower limits. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching, guys.